everybody, it's Jerry, and today I'm going to show you how to make an apple strawberry coffee cake. It's got layers of apples and strawberries mixed in with the coffee cake, and it's really delicious and not too difficult to make. So let me show you how to do it. We start out by taking 2 medium apples and peel them and core them. And then we're going to slice them into 1/16. So cut them in half, and then in half again, in half again, and then in half again one more time. Now we're going to take 2 tablespoons of vegan butter and melt it in a skillet, and then add the apple slices. And just saute them for a few minutes. And then add 1 tablespoon of sugar. And just cook them for a couple more minutes. And then we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And just mix that up until they're all well coated. And then we're going to remove that from the heat and set it aside while we prepare the strawberries. So take out the hulls of the strawberries and then cut them into quarters. Now we're going to make the batter. We're going to take 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk and 1/2 cup of water. Mix that together and let it sit for a few minutes to thicken. Then we're going to add 1/2 cup of melted vegan butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 can of coconut milk. Mix that together. Then we're going to add 1 cup of brown rice flour, 1 cup of millet flour, 1 cup of tapioca flour, and 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum. Mix that all together and just beat it by hand for a minute until it starts to thicken a little bit. Then we're going to take a spring-form pan which has been sprayed with oil. Now if you have a baking nail, definitely use that in the center. It'll help to keep it all even. But we're going to take half the batter and pour that in, and then layer half of the apple and strawberry slices on top. Take the remaining batter, pour that on top, and then take the remaining apple and strawberry slices and arrange them on the top of the batter. And then we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 70 minutes. So it's 1 hour and 10 minutes, or until the toothpick comes out clean. And we're going to invert it, remove the baking nail, and place it on our serving dish. Let it cool, and it's ready to serve. Thanks everybody for watching, and please tune in next time for some more recipes. As always, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.